OpenAI's biggest attack on Google AI browser. War begins. They call it a browser, but this is a battlefront. OpenAI is preparing to strike at Google's core, its browser empire, and no one saw it coming. The game changer revealed. In the coming weeks, OpenAI will launch a Chromium-based AI browser, not just another browser, an AI agent in your web tab. This isn't rumor. Reuters confirms it. It integrates ChatGPT, natively uses operator AI agents to book, search, summarize. Keeps browsing inside a chat, no site switching. This is far beyond Chrome extensions. It's an entirely new AI-first vision of the web. Why this threatens? Google Chrome controls over 3 billion users, and Google's ad empire relies on that data flow. But OpenAI's browser locks data in-house, no leaking to ad networks. May reroute search traffic away from Google Mind's user behavior directly through its AI interface. If ChatGPT's 500 million weekly users join, Google's ad model is at risk. What it actually does. Here's the real magic. Built on Chromium so it feels familiar. ChatGPT chat bar embedded in every tab, your digital assistant in real time, operator AI. Books, flights, fills, forms, compares deals on your behalf. You won't just browse, you'll command. The privacy cost plus competitor snapshot. Sounds futuristic, but what about privacy? If OpenAI stores your browsing history, that's a goldmine for any AI model. Other players like Perplexity's Comet, Brave, and the browser company are already racing, but OpenAI brings ChatGPT's massive user base. This isn't just innovation, it's a data war. What it means for you and the future. Gen Z, here's what this means for you. Browsing becomes action, no more jumping between sites. Privacy trade-offs, more convenience, less control. AI-centric web habits, dialogue, not search. Imagine ordering pizza, booking a flight, summarizing news all through chat. But at the cost of your data locked into ChatGPT's ecosystem. This is more than a browser launch, it's the beginning of an AI browser war. The way you browse today will define how you live tomorrow. Will you let Google still own your data? Or will you embrace the new AI-centric reality on your terms? Subscribe to TechinoAI, not to watch history, but to understand and shape it. Stay alert. Stay in control. The browser battlefield is here, and the future is typing.